AI is revolutionizing industries, but there's a hidden cost: energy consumption. Massive data centers are consuming electricity at alarming rates, turning a tech marvel into an environmental crisis. How can we balance innovation with sustainability? This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out i4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with Gen AI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have concept to code offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 22T4. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. AI models like GPT-4 consume as much power as small towns. Training these models demands immense energy, while inference phases, though less intense, add up quickly. Projections suggest AI energy demand could increase by 300 to 500% in 5 years. AI data centers have a massive carbon footprint, comparable to millions of cars. Water usage for cooling strains resources, and rapid hardware obsolescence creates electronic waste. The environmental toll is significant and growing. Energy-efficient AI chip architectures are emerging, reducing power consumption. Data centers are integrating renewable energy, transforming operations. Advanced cooling technologies are also playing a crucial role in reducing power consumption. Neuromorphic computing mimics brain efficiency, offering a new path for AI. Quantum computing holds potential for complex AI tasks, while edge computing reduces centralized data center loads, all contributing to more sustainable AI operations. Tech giants are committing to carbon-neutral AI operations. Startups are pioneering sustainable machine learning solutions, and government policies are incentivizing energy-efficient computing. The industry is moving towards greener AI practices. Balancing performance with energy efficiency is crucial. Economic incentives are driving sustainable AI development, and collaborative frameworks are setting industry-wide energy standards. Together, these efforts aim to align AI progress with environmental responsibility. Breakthrough technologies can reduce energy requirements, and renewable energy expansion is crucial for AI's future. Sustainable computing must be a core priority for AI's growth. By prioritizing green innovation, we can ensure a sustainable AI future. By embracing sustainable AI practices, you'll contribute to a greener planet. Support companies prioritizing energy-efficient solutions and champion green innovation. Together, we can balance AI advancement with environmental stewardship.